Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name's Melissa and today I want to make a ring. I want to bend a wire to make a freeform butterfly shape. Sketched out a butterfly here. It's not going to be that literal butterfly, but I'm thinking, twisting, turning the wires to make it look like a butterfly. That's my goal today. So if you want to see how I create this ring, just stick around and I'll show you my process. So I grabbed a mandrel. I grabbed some 18 gauge round wire. I'm going to cut like a foot of it. Pick a size to start with. Let's see, 7. Around the middle of your wire. Wrap it around your size. I made a double wire shank. And we're just going to start sculpting a butterfly. This side I'm going to bring back up again. That'll serve as a body. And now we gotta shape some wings. Yeah, I'm gonna make this the bottom wing, right? Does this even look like a butterfly? Oh, don't scratch it. What the heck am I doing? Yay. What am I doing? Oh, nope, nope, nope. That's kind of fun. Kind of abstract butterfly. I'm just pretending I know what I'm doing. Make it a little smaller. Yeah, we'll go with that. So what do you guys think? I went ahead and used a polishing cloth on it a little bit. It shined up pretty good. It fits on this finger. And I did wear it for a little bit. I forgot it was on actually. It's pretty comfortable. So what do you guys think? Leave me a comment, let me know. And if you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great week and I'll see you in the next one.